You can share access to your lock with guests. Select a lock from your lock list and select Manage Lock in the upper right corner. Scroll down to the Guests section and touch the Add a Guest icon, or touch Add a Guest if using an Android device. When adding a guest, you will have three options. Add an existing guest will pull guest contact information from your eLocks app existing guest list. Add from contacts will pull guest contact information from your device's contact list. Add a new guest allows you to create a new guest entry. The guest's first and last name and email address are required. Once the guest information is entered, select Continue. You must select your guest's access schedule. Choose daytime, nighttime, or unlimited. Then you can add a message. Verify the information and select Send Invitation. Your guest will receive an email invitation. After your guest opens the link in the email invitation, you will receive an email notification that the invitation was accepted. The guest will be prompted to create a new MasterLock Vault account or log into an existing account if they are already a MasterLock Vault user. Then they will download the MasterLock Vault eLocks app and sign into their account. Once they sign in, they will see the owner lock in their lock list. Your guest can now open your lock using their Bluetooth-enabled device within their scheduled access time frame. Guests can now see the automatic relock time, add notes to the lock, and view the current temporary code when within their scheduled access time frame.